We are currently in the living room, and usually I show you guys the living room all the way, but I want to start here on this section of the living room. It is literally by my exit of my patio or my backyard. As you can see, my backyard in the background, and facing sideways to the kitchen. And when I do an overview, you will see that. I love the mirror. It's from IKEA, and love that little lamp. I got it from a thrift store, and I was like, how could someone come and put this lamp over here? It's super beautiful. This lamp is so pretty. I love the old school looks. You can put this on the decks. It's so beautiful. My little vase right here is from H&M Homes. A lot of people know H&M for their clothing. Sorry for that fly that just flew by, but this is from H&M Home, and I love it so very much. My cabinet right here, buffet table, is from Amazon. Love the simplicity, the black look on there, super simple. And I just added a candle holder with some candle on there, and a little candle on the side, and a candle sniffer. This is what it looks like without being turned on. I just love it. I have some books there. The books are worn, but that's what I love about my house. Everything here is used, and you know, people put their coffee, their stuff. I need to get a coaster. I have kids, so everything gets used properly here. But yeah, let me go back and turn it on. I like the warm look of it. So across from the other table, our credenza is another cabinet right here. This is also from IKEA, and most of my IKEA pieces I got from Facebook Marketplace, and I just went to IKEA and grabbed the gold legs on there instead of being straight on the floor, so it can be elevated a little bit like this. I keep it very simple. For those who don't know, that's why my channel handle is called Gladys Tiberi Living Clutter Free, because we don't like clutter. So if anything is extra and it's not necessary, I don't need it. I love lamps. You will see a lot of lamps in my home because I like to make the place feel very moody and cozy. And also I have some, you know, nice little florals right here, and I keep a basket. I keep a little vase or bowl right here because that's where we put our keys in there. Yeah. We put our keys inside, and then right here I have a little light on top. Yeah, light on top of light on top of light. I love it. Inside we keep you know, glasses, glassware, and things of that sort. Keep my entryway very simple. I love the fact that we have somewhere to sit down to remove our shoes, and we have a family pictures for guests. When they come, they can see who we are. Love also that entryway table. I love the fact that it's not on the ground, it's floating, so it gives me space. Sorry, you're gonna hear my AC because it is super hot. Usually I film without it, but it's either I film this or I'm dead. So I would prefer to film it with noise and increase the volume when I'm editing the video or die. The heat wave, it's beyond me. So I remove the rug. I like to put rugs here so that it can, you know, center the living room and make it differentiate. But my living room is super small, and also I will do a small house video for you guys. If you guys are interested, let me know. But my living room plus my kitchen, my entryway, and everything of that like that It's literally less than 400 square footage. It's good because when I was able to do my floor, it was very affordable, but it's bad because we don't have a lot of living room space or kitchen space, but that's okay. It's what we need, not what we want, and it's enough. So on my couch right here, I have a throw blanket, and I just love this Amazon black lamp. It keeps it very simple. Like I say, I usually have a rug, but I removed it because this is such a high traffic area. Until we figure out what to do, or until I find a rug that is like very kids friendly. And I love light rug, and I love anything light. That's why you can see my chairs is light, my floor is light, and it does not benefit me, right? It does not benefit me at all. So yeah, let's go closer. Love the decor on the table. Here we have some candles, a vase with some florals. I found that around the fall season my home looks the best because of the fall colors, so I tend to stick with it, even though this is summertime, but I tend to stick with the brown colors. It's you know what we call it, what is it called, a little bit of organic modern colors. That's what I like because it's muted and it keeps it, you know, very it keeps me very calm. As you can see on my fireplace, you'll see like a black paint. I painted it black right here because I was trying to see if I would paint this whole fireplace black. I'm still debating, and the black, it's actually really harsh because the gray, it's a little bit, you know, it's fading and I have to repaint it, but the black is super harsh, so that's where you see the black lining right there. Don't mind it. I added a cute little throw blanket right here. I like I said, I like the fall and the winter season, so I added that there. It's very chunky. Instead of something light, I added a chunky one, but yeah, that's what it is. So love that right here. And to my 2 chairs are from Amazon. I would recommend the chair as far as the aesthetic of it, but I would not recommend the chairs as far as this color. If you sit on it, the color of your clothing will rub on it. This is the second time the merchant had to send me a replacement cover of the chairs and the cushion because it keeps, you know, staining. But they don't believe me. They're saying no one is saying anything about that. I guess, I don't know. But if I were to get something a little bit of a lighter color, I just have to make sure that the performance is a performance fabric because this is very annoying. So I'm not gonna call them again to get another one. If I do, I will purchase a whole set and sell this one because it doesn't make any sense. I thought it could come off with some cleaning, but no, it didn't. So over there, I love this painting. Like I said, very organic, modern, very simple. I love the, you know, clean lines, and love the fact that it has the black, the cream, and the gray, which is like my whole color, my whole downstairs. I moved my couch from upstairs and brought it downstairs. The downstairs one was the cream one, which matched the chairs, and I brought it upstairs, which I love. I added this little throw blanket on the chairs and I love the checker fabric of it. It's so beautiful. Neutral color, nothing fancy, just draped it on top of the chair handle. My family loves blanket. These literally disappears. This one, that one. They tried to take this one, but I told them not to touch it because I like the aesthetic of it. If you haven't seen the video collaboration that I have done with Mrs. Awesome, you should go and check it out. I will link it, but they sent me this, the drapes, the curtains. Oh my God, it's, what is it called? Custom curtain to my house. And the lining inside comes with the tie back like this. I just love it. They're such a great company to work with. They're very affordable for a custom piece. You're going to love it. This was around Christmas season when I collaborate with them. Let me come close so you can see. literally has lining in the back. I love that color. It's so pretty. Look at my neighbors and their flowers, plants, their balcony. So beautiful right here. I just love it so much. I just have to figure out if I want to paint this back to the same color, my fireplace, or paint it black. Let me know. And also I'm trying to figure out how to switch this to another modern one. But my brother-in-law told me he could break this whole thing and do another one, and I'm like, I don't know. He's like, Gladys, I don't like it. Let me do another one for you. I was like, yeah, I don't know. Let me see. I used to put a little candle right here, but my baby is going to be too soon, and he's the terrible two. I don't want to wish anything like that on my kid, but they are. They're the terrible twos. They destroy everything on their side. And let me show you something, okay, guys? Watch this. Do you see that? Do you see that? This is him. Do you see fingerprints? This is him. And everything here needs a good painting. I'm talking about the walls, my baseboard, my fireplace, my kitchen. Everything needs a good painting, and we're going to jump on that. We're also going to declutter the house, which I'm going to take you guys as well. If you want to see that, please thumbs up this video and let me know. I love this chandelier. I just love it so much. The simplicity, and this was very affordable. I got it from the Home Depot, and I just love it so very much.